whatever that means. Whatever that means. All right, let's bring some things in here, y'all. We gotta start getting ourselves set here. So he did text me earlier to make sure you didn't write. Oh my goodness, did he really? He said RIP doesn't accept those landings. Yeah, he said that. He said that to me too. He said he has a pair of wings to give me as well. Ryanair wings. Oh my God. Reminded me what he told you, huh? That guy, I tell you, he's too much, man. He's too much. Let's look at our speeds here. What speeds do we have here? Let me see. Step descend after Horton. Okay. And I got let me see something here. One second here. Let me see something. Speed 217, move past Zudem's 147. Okay, cool. We should be at our approach speed by the time we pass Zudem. Zudem's at like top of our descent. And we'll start turning in here shortly. Hey, do we? We don't have the. Oh man, we don't have that pretty 787 hood. We don't have that on this one. He said I have a pair. Come. Oh, that guy's a mess, man. He gonna hand out something like that. This guy. Oh my goodness. All right, we're gonna set this to not max, but we're gonna go 3. Based on our performance here, we say we should go with 3 on our auto brakes there. And about to make this turn, y'all, for our final approach here. Oh well, we can't see shit anyway. I mean, it's not like we can see the damn runway. We about to have a more visibility, 0 visibility coming in, y'all. Look at this. Coverage is very low. So. Y'all, let me strap on my game hat here now, y'all. We gotta get this in. All right, let me get myself ready for this one. All right. I feel like y'all put on those shoulder straps. I feel like I gotta do that now too. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Let's bring it. Let's bring it. Here it is, y'all. Let's get this bug down here, get through these clouds and see what we can see ahead of us. Yeah, keep my damn fingers crossed right now. There we go. Bring her down, bring her down, bring her down. Bring her down. There you go. Start watching the speed too, y'all. Start coming back on our speed here soon. All right, here's the airport's right in front of us. Can you see it? If you can, boy, wow. All right, we got some clouds to break through, y'all. All right, I wanna. Let's start slowing her down, y'all. Yeah, let's start slowing her down. We gotta bring her back here. All right. This is speed brakes up. Get her down here. Yep. Yeah. Speed braking it. Oh, I see. There's Air Force Base runway right there. See the Air Force Base runway right there? Do the little fog, I guess you can say. Here we go, y'all. This is ugly. Don't like it. We got this. Runway's right in front of us. Get our gear down. shit. Autopilot, take it off. We're a little high.
Sync rate. Sync rate. Sync rate.
Alright, but we're doing absolute visual, y'all. No, no. Oh, here we go. I see the runway. Shit, here it is.
500.
Oh, there it is.
Sync rate. Pull up. Sync rate. One hundred. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Well, hell, I did the best I could do on this one.